Hello, this is Virendra, my most beloved friends. I render my whole life to your service. There I feel the meaning of my life. And to serve you, I need to be wise, so that even if I am not there on this planet, you will remember me, or whatever I can think good about you, care about you, and share my wisdom with you, so that by emulating those noble ideas and thoughts, you can live a life which will be filled with love, grace and gratitude. I wish you should be healthy, happy and smiling every moment of your life. And this is only possible once we become wise. And for this, we must fill our heart, mind and soul with great ideas, because unless we know what is truth, what will follow, where we will go, where is the path. As you know, an ignorant person is no better than beast. So it is the enlightening thought, the wisdom thought, which can guide us and lead us to the real path. And that thoughts you have to think yourself. And once you are convinced, then you should follow strictly. Don't be tempted. There are so many things which can make you weak. You will be forced to lie, and the greed will make you impure. Selfishness will make you a very small person. So you have to understand that this will disgrace you. And single-handed you cannot handle the precious life which is not permanent. It is very short-lived. You have to stay hungry and you have to stay foolish. And you have to understand that I know nothing and I have done nothing. The more we do, it is less. There have been people on this planet, when they died, the epitaph says, here lies the man who was a very selfish and ungrateful to the mankind, who was so much competent and capable, but his contribution as per his capabilities is minimal, is insignificant. That's why I remind you again and again, stay hungry, stay foolish, and believe that you know nothing and you have done nothing. You can do much and more in your life. I will share with you some of the noble thoughts which the greatest people on this planet shared with us. And these will be a light in your life to guide you, to teach you lessons to follow. And the last word I will like to share with you, always trust in the Lord, irrespective of the religion you belong to. Because it is God, the Almighty Father, the limitless, the Allah, Father in the heaven, is so kind and merciful, magnificent. He is ready to help you. Seek His help every time in your life. He will answer your call. He will open the door if you knock at His door. And with the blessings of that Almighty Father, you can live a life very healthy, very happy, very peaceful, very prosperous, and you will become the strong magnetic personality who will induce these great ingredients wherever you will go. I share with you some of the great noble thoughts of some great people on this planet. I understand the power of the limitless, and so God grant us the serenity to accept the things we cannot change, courage to change the things we can, and wisdom to know the difference. Anyone can carry his burden, however hard, until nightfall. Anyone can do his work, however hard, for one day. Anyone can live sweetly, patiently, lovingly, purely, till the sun goes down. And this is all life really means. Remember, my friends, if we are headed in the wrong direction, God allows a U-turn. So trust in the Lord. He is so merciful and kind. In 3 words, we can sum up what we learned about life. It goes on. In this age, which believes that there is shortcut to everything, the greatest lesson to learn is that the most difficult way become the easiest way, with a will, with perseverance and persistence. Ultimately, everything becomes simple. Once you are determined, daring, caring, the mountain will be crumbled by you and you can drink the ocean. That is the power of self-belief and self-confidence. We cannot shake hands with a clenched fist. Remember, love generates love. Hate generates hate. We can only conquer hate by showering love. We can win our enemies by befriending them. And that is only possible once we love them. The difference between ordinary and extraordinary is the only little extra. So we can become extraordinary because God created us superior human being. Discover our greatness, manifest the divinity within us. Courage does not always roar. Sometimes courage is a little voice at the end of the day that says, I will try again tomorrow. Everything will be alright in the end. If it's not alright, it's not the end of the world. Believe in yourself. You are human. We can make a lot of mistakes. Learn from such mistakes and failures and defeats. And be progressive. Be positive. Move forward. This is not the end of the day. God will never give you any problems. That is things you cannot solve. And dear friend, if you want to be successful in life, here is a formula. Under promise and over deliver. We must learn always from yesterday and live for today and must have hope for tomorrow. The important thing is not to stop questioning ourselves. And we should not lament We should not repent what is past. Tomorrow is mystery. Today is a gift. That's why we call it present. So must take care of the present, and that is everything, the true philosophy of life. It is our choice. That's so what we truly are, far more than our abilities. That is to say, our belief in ourselves, our faith and conviction that we are the children of the limitless. We are souls immortal, spirits free, blessed eternal. That will fill our mind, heart and soul with invincible power, and we can never feel inferior. We can do anything. That's why some of the greats told the word impossible is found in the dictionary of fools, the timid, the coward, the coward. Be brave. Be brave. The timid only test death every time in their life, but the valiant test of death but once in life. And I am sure, my friends, all of you are brave. You are giant. You are the most powerful individuals. Dig in. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Surface those infinite power, latent, hidden within your soul. Limitations live only in our minds. But if we use our imaginations, our possibilities become limitless. And remember, one deed is far, far more better than the thousands of words what we speak and share with you. If we concentrate on finding whatever is good in every situation, we will discover that our life will suddenly be filled with gratitude, a feeling that nurtures our soul. Too many people overvalue what they are not and undervalue what they are. Believe in yourself. Don't try to be illusion and try to be in the skin of something what you are not. Don't be a masked man. Dig in, you have all the power, and show whatever you want to show. You can do it. Believe in yourself. Everything is possible. With determination, with daring, with courage, with conviction, with hope, and trust in yourself, and believe in the Almighty Father limitless. The best way to predict your future is to create it. You are the creator of your destiny. Take the full responsibility of your life. Have some idea in your life. Be passionate. Work very hard. Focus. Push yourself. Improve continuously. And your contribution will be serviceable to the mankind. But persist. Have patience. Struggle it on infinitely. Arise awake and stop not till your dreams are fulfilled. You can do it. The great people have failed thousands and thousands in their life, but they do not know what is defeat. They do not know what is failures. They only know these all obstacles and disadvantages are learning lessons in life. Improve upon your mistakes. March forward. The future belongs to the most persevering. Belongs to the great who never say die, who never give up, who never say never. And you are one such great person. Dear friends, never seek revenge. Win your enemies by love. Learn forgiveness, because while you are seeking revenge, you have to dig 2 graves and 1 reserved for you. Be very careful about little things a small leak will sink a great ship. And you remember, many a little makes a mickle. You should understand, the ocean is made out of every drop. So you will be very much confused whether drop is important or the ocean is important. Without drop, ocean will not be there. And ocean itself will say that I am the integration, the accumulation of every drop. So every step you take in life, that is defining your personality. That is shaping your future and destiny. Be careful. Be careful. And you know what is life? It just goes on. Be brave. Enjoy your every moment of life. Always be positive. See the brighter picture in your life and work very hard. Seek cooperation from God and every human being around you. The environment has a lot to give you, and remember, you are not permanent. You are a very short-lived person. And one thing I tell you, that your success in life becomes on your courage, on your fearlessness. Because fear itself is a great fear. Fear makes you afraid, timid, coward, and you will be mutely facing the wall. And you cannot achieve anything in life. Because fear kills your intelligence. Fears destroy your self-belief and self-confidence. That's why the power of mind is very, very important. Look at the greatest people in the history. Sir Winston Churchill, the greatest man who never fears. If you are going through hell, keep on going. And he says, I know only one thing, victory, victory and victory at all cost, and war at all fronts, in the air, in the water, and on the land. And the great soul destroy the greatest tyrant of his time. Hitler, the monster. Never fear. Whether you are a politician or you are a sports person, if you are a fearful person, you will never grow in life. It is a special message for a special person. Your all wits, your all physical strength, your all skill of tennis, and everything great what you have acquired will be destroyed, will be burned to ashes if you are in the tennis court and you start fearing. The great Muhammad Ali told, the person fears when he is not very much confident of his hard work. Your hard work, your tears, toils, sweats, and even blood can make you a brave man. Never fear. Either way you are going to die one day. What for you are fearing? Whom you are fearing? Vivekananda told, the soul can never die. Only the soul is changing body to body. So if you want to be great, this is one request to all my beloved friends. Be a fearless person, a brave person. Never fear. If you at all fear evils, fear your anger, fear your greed, fear your lies, fear your selfishness, because these will make you weak. And if you become a social deviant, you have to be feared. You have to suffer. So a person who is pure, who is truthful, and who is selfless, as Swami Vivekananda said, no power above the sun, no power below the sun can destroy such a great soul. That is the power of mind. the tough mind, who prefers death than to be a timid coward, a coward. That is my special message to my friends. Lastly, I wish you a great success. I love you so much. And reward for my love is never be afraid, never be coward, never be coward. Be brave, be valiant, believe in yourself, believe in your faith, and have trust in the Almighty Father. Always remember Him. He is always available to help you. I wish you great success, great happiness, and a very smiling life. Jai Hind!